There is a place in Northern Luzon where imagination comes alive, where adventure, wonder, and serenity meet in one unforgettable destination. Welcome to the Last Regnant, the first ever full-themed leisure park in Northern Luzon, a new Philippine pride rising in the province of Isabela. Across 4 hectares of beautifully crafted space, the Last Regnant invites families, friends, and travelers of every age to explore attractions designed to awaken the child in all of us. Here, adventure begins with water. 5 unique swimming pools await, each with a personality of its own, but one rises above the rest. The only wave pool of its kind in Region 2, where laughter rolls like the waves, and every splash becomes part of a story worth telling. Children run across playgrounds and sand gardens. Parents relax beside sparkling waters, and families enjoy days made for connection, memories, and joy. Inside the Last Regnant, the journey continues through a curated zoo park, where young explorers meet gentle wildlife, and nature opens its doors for learning and reflection. A greenhouse blooms with life, and all around, bright bougainvillea flowers color every path, welcoming guests into an atmosphere of peace, beauty, and celebration. For those who wish to stay longer, the Last Regnant offers hotel-style cabanas. Modern, stylish, and private, it feels like stepping into a new world, where comfort meets elegance, and every room becomes a chapter of your travel experience. And soon, a new icon will rise, a Monaco-inspired white and blue hotel, currently under construction, promising a destination that blends leisure, luxury, and culture unlike anywhere in Northern Luzon. When day turns to evening, flavors take the stage. The Last Regnant features an Arabic-inspired restaurant, serving specialty dishes that bring a taste of the Middle East to Northern Luzon. It is warm, inviting, filled with spices, stories, and shared tables. Perfect for families, gatherings, celebrations, or simply taking a moment to enjoy good food. But the adventure doesn't end there. Thrill seekers will enjoy lively attractions, arcade games, bumper cars, entertainment corners designed to make every hour feel alive. In the Last Regnant, excitement is a promise. Whether you're traveling with children or simply young at heart, reaching this destination is simple. From Kauai Airport, travel time is approximately 30 to 45 minutes by land. From Tuguegarao Airport, it takes around 1.5 to 2 hours by land. If you are traveling from Metro Manila by bus, expect a comfortable journey of about 8 to 10 hours, depending on traffic and route. The ride is worth it, because at the end of the road, a new world awaits. Imagine this: a morning swim of playful waves, lunch in a garden framed by blooming bougainvillea, a stroll with animals and nature, a sunset dinner with flavors from across the world, and a quiet night in a cabana surrounded by 1,000 lights. This is not just a destination. It is a story, waiting for you to live it. From children discovering their first wave ride, to couples escaping for a weekend of celebration, to travelers searching for the next wonder of Asia, the Last Regnant stands ready to welcome every guest, every moment, every memory. Northern Luzon now holds a new jewel, a place where fantasy meets nature, culture meets comfort, and every visit becomes a story that lingers in the heart. Come and see the Last Regnant, a destination like no other in the Philippines, a new adventure for Asia, and the next enchanting story of your life. Because here, every moment is magic, every corner is discovery, every journey is unforgettable. The Last Regnant, where wonder reigns.